The purpose of this demo is to show you how we dramatically improve procurement productivity and efficiency through the creation of tidy quote request records. We achieve this through email-based data ingestion, which is achieved by simply sending an email with a file attached. So the app is going to read the information from the file, and then it's going to create a new record right here. And it's also going to reply to the person that sent the email, so that person can confirm the information that the app sent from the email is correct or not. Okay, so let's start by creating a new email. So of course that email has to be sent to a specific email account. In this case, we're going to send to this recipient. Our subject line will be quote request demo. And here we'll be putting some info in the text body as well. But the important thing is the file that I'm going to attach. That contains the information we need to create the quote record. So now let's send the email. And we can see here in the app, we can go to the email section and confirm the email is saved in this section. So we have here is the email we just sent. And as you can see, we have all the information here. And we can see also the file that we attached. That file contains the information about the different sites and the different services that we are requesting for quoting. So we have a dedicated internet access with this speed. And the same we have here for the other sites. And we have a broadband service with this broadband speed. And we also have some details about the port capacity. Also, we have the contract terms. That's for the dedicated internet access service for the 48 months. For the broadband services, which should be 12 months. Okay, so now we can see that in the quote section. And we should have a new record. And that is this one right here, which we can see now says the status is submitted. So we will see the information inside this quote request record. And we can see that we have the information for all the sites with the service, the bandwidth, and the contractor. So the person that sent the email should receive a reply from the application. And in this case, it says that all the details for this request are in fact here. So we have the sites, the service, the bandwidth for capacity, as well as the contract terms. So now we need the confirmation from the person that sent this email to confirm if the information is in fact correct or not. And I'm going to reply to that. Yes, this information is correct. So we're going to send this email. And then the application is going to receive that email. You can see in the email section that very soon we should get that reply. Yes, we have the reply right here. And it says that this information is in fact correct. So what it does is when the system gets this confirmation, it changes the status of the quote automatically. And now you can see the status is approved. If the person would have replied, that the information was not correct, then the status would be in review. But in this case, because we say it is correct, then the status is approved. And then there is a new email that would be sent. And it says we've got your response for your quote request with the internal identifier number. You confirm that the data was correct and therefore your quote request has been approved. A member of our team will send the quote request to your preferred providers. You can see the quote requested details following this link. So that's our demo. Thank you so much for watching.